Conor McGregor fans get the shock of their lives and film it for Instagram. Hey everybody, it's Sophie Julia here for the Fumble. To find out the hottest sports news and gossip, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our notification squad. Conor McGregor fans were thrilled when they pulled up to a traffic light in Ireland and the Notorious himself stopped beside them in his flashy yellow Lamborghini. The fans wished the fighter well with his 8-month-old son and cheered as his car raced into the distance. Conor shared the fans' funny video on his Instagram with the caption, "The people of Ireland, I love you."
Come here, look at the kid, man. We only had daughters there last year, little babas.
It's an experience, man.
Yeah?
Something else.
Knew it was you, I knew it was you. I've seen that beard, seen the McLaren. Hey, come on,
Looks like Conor hasn't learned his lesson about speeding. Last year, the UFC champ appeared in Dublin court to face his third speeding charge after driving 98 miles per hour in a 60-mile-per-hour zone. A highly anticipated return to the UFC looks to be in the cards, as Conor has recently shared a bunch of photos of himself training. McGregor's coach, John Kavanagh, said he's just back training almost every day. "I think 2018 will be another big year for us. Exactly what that is, I don't know yet. Stay tuned." Kavanagh also said he will be pushing very hard for MMA, and that if he has any say in it, Conor will be in the octagon again this year. Who do you want Conor McGregor to fight if he returns to the UFC? Join the debate in the comments section. McGregor is the current lightweight champ but hasn't fought in MMA in over a year. Dana White warned McGregor to defend his lightweight belt before August. He said Conor has some big decisions to make really quick. He also said that if Conor wants to sit out, he will have Khabib and Tony Ferguson fight for the title. Sounds like White is giving Conor McGregor an ultimatum. Agree to defend your title or the UFC will strip you of your belt. The UFC's biggest moneymaker has not been shy in making demands of the UFC since his fight against Floyd Mayweather. He recently told a crowd in Dublin, "I was a promoter on the Mayweather fight and we're in current negotiations. I'm not stepping in that octagon again unless I'm part owner of the whole setup. I'm a promoter." Do you think Dana White needs Conor McGregor more than Conor needs the UFC? Let me know in the comments below. We'll see in time who's the first one to budge. For the hottest sports news and gossip, like, subscribe, and comment below. And be sure to shop the Fumble store for the latest sports gear.